It's a chilly morning in Connecticut as I'm doing my pre-flight. We're heading to Fisher's Island today in November 121.
Yeah, you're all set up. ATIS down on number 2.
ATIS is in.
And Groton Tower, COM 2. Or COM 1, just switch it over.
Alright, I'm trimming for level flight here. Looking for 3,500.
Hey guys, it's your pal Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. How cool is that? Today we got a special episode for you. We're heading over to Elizabeth Field at Fisher's Island, New York, located about 4 miles south of Groton. It's right kind of close into the Class Delta there at Groton. Come along for the ride. I'm with VOR Jeff here today. He's my goon, quote unquote. It's what he calls himself. And I'm going into town. I'm going to town to do some work, and then I believe Jeff has officially found the sea glass capital of the planet. Come along for the ride. Today's video is sponsored by ABS. Let the team at ABS put their energy into saving you energy. This is for the commercial business owners for the Connecticut, Massachusetts area. The power is in your hands to choose your energy supplier. Contact them today.
Groton Tower, Archer, Tree 121 is 12 northwest. Requesting transit for your airspace. We're headed to Fisher's Island. We're at 3,500 now descending.
Number 33121 Groton Tower, transition approved, altimeter 3039er.
Transition approved, 3039 for 121. Thank you very much. Hope you're having a great morning.
Alright, descent checklist. Fuel pumps on, landing lights are on, mixture's full rich. And I'm going to turn the carb heat on.
And we're 122.8.
Alright, I'm at 2,000.
And I'll give them a call at 5 to firm up our plans.
Oh yeah.
That's a very nice picture, but holy moly.
2,000.
Let me distract you a little with my camera. Oh, sorry, pal.
Oh, you made the airplane shake because your gut just shifted over
right
here. Alright, 1,900. Getting ready to go over the water.
Man, there's a beautiful golf course under us.
I've flown over that a few times. Going into Kagong.
Oh, that's beautiful. They keep that up nice. Fisher's Island traffic, Archer 33121, we're 6 northwest, inbound for left base for 12, Fisher's Island, full stop. Oh, there's a nice riptide forming.
I don't even know what a riptide is. It's a boat.
It's where a massive amount of water rushes over a deep part to a shallow part, and it almost makes a breaking wave.
Oh.
That's what that is. See that whole line? And that's what you fish by, because it churns up the bottom and exposes a lot of fish.
Alright, I need a 400 feet per minute descent right now. Let me trim down a little bit here.
Wow, that's a good one. Look at it, it's like a little
double check,
waterfall.
mixture's full rich, fuel pumps on, landing lights on, wingtip lights on, beacons on, anti-collisions on, gums check, we're on the left tank, which is the fullest tank right now.
Yep, there's your runway.
1,500.
TPA's 1,007, pal.
Alright, I'm at 1,500 now.
That looks good.
3.9 miles out.
Fisher's Island traffic, Archer 33121, we're 3.5 mile left base, 12, Fisher's Island.
Alright, put the bug on 1-2, which is that way.
I'm going to kill the pitot heat.
Yep.
Oh, you got it on already. Fisher's Island traffic, Archer 33121, 3 mile final, 12 full stop, Fisher's Island.
Alright, we're at 1,000 here.
Brookhaven traffic, Skyhawk, 9004 Whiskey, 7 miles out from Brookhaven, doing the VOR runway 6 straight in approach for Brookhaven.
Killed your car, Pete, is that okay?
Killed it?
Amazing how much power that takes.
Alright, I'm at 85. Full flaps here. Watch this airspeed, I'm at 80.
Brookhaven traffic, Skyhawk 9004 Whiskey, 5 miles out from Brookhaven for runway 6, Brookhaven.
Fisher's Island traffic, Archer 121, 1 mile final, 12 Fisher's Island.
I'll do a little back taxi here.
Fisher's Island traffic, Archer 121, back taxi in 12 to parking, Fisher's Island.
Oh, there's plenty of wide. I didn't want to just cut it into the runway.
All right, we're in Fisher's Island today. Here's like the FBO down there. I think we're the only ones here though. It's super early and we're heading into town and I got a job to do down here at the elementary school. So come along, we'll walk down to the school together. But yeah, it was nice. We came in on runway 12 and there's the other runway 07, the little shorter one. But yeah, it's a nice day. There's Tree 121. We'll be back to you, girl. We're going into town now. Well, not really into town. I'm with my
your goon.
Mike.
I'm his goon.
Is that a Jersey term?
Yeah.
So I'm with my goon today. How's it going, goon?
Good.
What you got in your hand there?
A hard hat.
Why is it so bright?
They're gonna see me coming.
I've never seen a hard hat that has anyone seen a hard hat that bright? Leave a comment. I know there's hard hats you can get like football teams and stuff like that. Maybe Alpha Kilo Warrior needs a hard hat. What do you say? Alright, well we're exploring now. We gotta find a way to get to this elementary school. Oh, we got two cardinals ahead. I think that's a good sign. Birds are chirping. I could smell like tide.
Oh, it's right there, man.
Yeah, like a little seaweed smell.
There's a beach red buoy, red right return.
Oh, that's the red right return.
Yeah, it's a huge buoy up here. It's beach.
Hey, if you're a boater and you're watching this, give us a comment.
Red right return. That's all I learned in my captain class. Meaning the red should be on your right when you're returning from the river.
Is that when you're on the Orca?
Yep.
Oh, look at there's the PAPI lighting. You can see one is angled different than the other one. Look at that. You want to see red and red, correct?
Yep.
There's Runway, Fisher's Island. How exciting. Aircraft crossing. Oh, it looks like we got a buoy that's down.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's a big one.
Let's try to push it back in the water.
Yeah, right.
Is that lighthouse on its own?
Yeah. Yeah, the sea glass is just all right there. I'm talking everywhere. You know? Okay. It's everywhere.
The joys picking sea glass. I don't know if that's one there or not. Oh yeah, they're all over the place, little tiny ones. I'm such a grandma.
Funny, on the inner,
There's tons of it
it's
here.
everywhere.
Yeah, there's like a just.
Look, you just comb through the stuff and it just appears.
All right, well, Fisher's Island is unofficially the sea glass capital of the world.
It sure is. Look, and I mean, it's all mature, different colors. It's kind of cool.
Well, today we're finding out VOR Jeff is a COR. COR. VOR Jeff is a sea glass hunter.
It's just a stupid hobby. Someday I'll collect it, or go through my collection and maybe remember where some of the pieces I found were from when I can't fly anymore.